everyone, welcome to Sophie Does It. Today we're going to paint. Let's get started. So I'm going to make it a blue sky, a sun, and then probably grass and a rainbow, and then probably flowers under it, or probably flowers on top. I don't know which one I'm going to do, because I have to see how much space I have. And then I'm probably going to make some butterflies because it's getting ready for spring. That's why I'm going to do that. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take a little blue. I'm going to take some blue paint. I'm going to put it on this. It's this kind of color. But it doesn't matter what blue you use. If I have a different kind of color and you don't have it, it's okay. Okay, let's get that a little bit more. So let's clean that off. Let's put that inside there. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to dip in some yellow. I'm going to make the sun like this. Make a line like that. Who makes a circle sun? I don't anymore. I used to. Because I got teased by someone. It was not an artist. It was someone really special. Good job. You still have to make the lines. Don't forget to make the lines. Yeah. There we go. Let's clean that off. Mix, 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 mix. Okay. Second, we're going to start off with the grass. I'm going to use this one. First one. So I'm going to dip inside the green. Oh, massive! This is green. This is green. And what else? That's green the paint. That's really cool. And that's a blue color green. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. Let's get it on there. Come on, let's go. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's get some more. Okay, that's enough of doing that. Okay, let's mix it up, put it on there, and probably just keep it there for a while. We'll do that one first. I want to do it more. Yes. I'm going to take this little brush. I'm going to take a little bit of red. I'm going to put it on there. Have you ever seen like a rainbow before in the sky? Rainbows are so pretty. I love rainbows. Mix that up. I'm going to use the same brush for every color in the rainbow because I like that. I like this brush. Okay, that's too much. Roll it. Okay. to use this for anywhere else. I changed my mind. This was, let's use it. Okay, I'm gonna get, not that much, let's get this one. They're both the same. Look. So I need yellow again. Yeah, I used yellow for this side earlier. Big pink colors. Put some colors. Okay, that's good. Colors. I like this picture. It's cute. Very cute. So we got yellow, maybe green. Let's use some green. Let's try that off. So I'm gonna get this kind of brush. I think it's very pretty. So maybe green. Use this green. Woo! Woo! You like that? Blue on and green on, so let's put some indigo on. You've ever seen indigo? It's like this color. It's like a dark, it's like purple and blue mixed together. If you mix in purple and blue, it makes like indigo. I don't think really people know indigo color, but I do. My parents do. But I don't think Carter does because he's my baby brother. That's what it looks like. Yeah, my brother is still a baby. The indigo one is a glowing one. It's so pretty. I love it. So after that, I need this color. And then we're almost done. We're not almost done. We're done with the rainbow. But we're not like done with the whole picture. So let's make some butterflies. And then probably the flowers. I'm gonna make one butterfly. I'm not gonna use this brush to make it. I'm gonna make it with this color right here. Very cute color. So I'm gonna mix it in a little bit more. Not too much. Yes, I do. I did it today. I got too much paint today. I use yellow. Mix it in. Oh, halfway dry. It's drying like That's away the grass. Stuff we dry. And then I need yellow. I'm just gonna make a little kind of line. Oh, I got it so wet, so I'm gonna mix it up because I just got it so wet. Oh, it looks like frosting now because I got wet. Okay, now I got too much. Okay. So, I'm just gonna make one line. And then I'm gonna make a little circle. There we go. Uh-oh, I got on my phone. It's okay. I'm just gonna wipe it on this thing. This mat. Because I got a paint mat. And I'll get this on the table. So I got it off, I guess. Then we're gonna take, I'm gonna pick this violet eye. Violet, I think it's like indigo and purple, or, oh yeah, I know what to make. It's pink and purple. Like the lightest purple, lightest pink. Probably that's how they're making. Maybe that's how they're. Wait, put some eyes, some eyes. else do. I'm also so not you. Like one eye. I don't have no one eye. I have 2 eyes. So where is? Okay, I need red. Red is put on the middle. Smiley face. Smile. Yeah, you like that face. So then I need. Let's use this color. We also need to make this with the ears with them on the head. Okay. Okay. Dude, let me whip this. Okay, let's make some blue. Let's paint that blue. Blue. Okay, there we go. And now we are gonna make some flowers. Yay! So I'm gonna give this color, the green is like the darkest green. I'm gonna put lines, a line. I'm going to put 3 lines. Now I'm going to take the dark green I was just even using. I'm going to make like a little circle on the stem, like the leaves. Yeah, that's what I'm making. Okay, now we're going to use yellow. Okay, not too much yellow. That we are going to use this kind of pink. Use pink for the flower dots. And I'm just going to make dots. I'm going to dab the dots on there, but not really fast, because if you do really fast, you could mess up. I won't mess up. If I did mess up earlier, when I got paint on my hands, I don't think that's really a mess up problem. And we have 2, what's a glitter color? I thought that violet was a glitter color, but I guess it's not anymore. Oh yeah, it was. I only had 2. I had indigo and pink, and they're both by each other. That's really cool. Okay, thanks for watching. It's done, and I love it, and I really want to show you guys how it looks. This is what it looks like. I love it. It's so pretty. It's like. So we can talk about it now. So you see how I got the blue sky and the yellow sun, got the pretty rainbow with the green grass and the flowers on top of the rainbow. I did the flowers on top of the rainbow because I didn't have that much space and I didn't want to put it inside the grass. Gotta put my finger on there and it's dry. Good. Because earlier I touched this right there and then my finger got wet. That's crazy. So I didn't want to put it like inside there. Instead I put it on top with a butterfly right there. I did kind of good with the butterfly. I never used paint with a butterfly before. It's kind of cute. I made a butterfly before, but it was my first. So thank you for watching, everyone.